Hello, in this Google Workspace configuration settings video, we'll continue to look at Google Chat settings. Ensure you've logged into your school's admin console. Go to the left-hand menu and choose Apps, Google Workspace, Google Chat. Today we're going to look at enabling or allowing your school users to install chat apps, but we're going to control which apps they're allowed to install. So to do this, scroll down until you see Chat Apps. We then want to choose our top level OU. And currently you can see allow users to install chat apps is turned off. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. But what you'll notice here is we're controlling what apps they can install, as users can install and run chat apps created by Google only. So go ahead and click Save at the bottom here. We have now updated the setting to allow your school users to install chat apps that have been created by Google only. Thank you for watching this video.